How to download and install Kindle on a device. Whether you want to listen audiobooks or simply read ebooks, Kindle will get you covered. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. So first, open Google Play Store or App Store on a device. Tap on search box located on bottom middle of your screen. Again, tap on search box on top of your screen. And now search for Amazon Kindle. And here you'll find this app Amazon Kindle by Amazon Mobile, so tap on it. And now simply tap on install. And within few minutes, Amazon Kindle will be downloaded on a device. And once downloaded, simply tap on open. And you can enjoy reading your book. So this is how you can download and install Amazon Kindle on a device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.